questions. First being, what does FIRST mean to you?
First to me means cooperation. It means robots. It means business. It means fundraising. It means travel. And it means opportunity.
Okay, thank you. What does the robotics team impact on the community?
I think the robotics team's impact on the community currently is pretty great. We have about 10% of the school population participating in robots every year for the whole district. So out of our 2,000 students, we have about 200 students plus participating. So I think that impacts our K-12 community for schools. And I think with our mentor involvement from the businesses, I think we're getting a really good payback for the businesses in town, and hopefully start some more internships and bring in more mentors to kind of create a partnership between our program and the community for students to get more of a hands-on, real-world experience. This is gold, though. Gold.
Yeah,
Gold.
Looking good. What does a robotics team do to be successful?
I think the biggest thing for our team to be successful has been the community involvement of the mentors. Getting engineering mentors, video mentors, getting old students to come in, just having that mature presence, the adult presence that have the skills that can actually teach the students the current industry standard type of skills that they just don't get in school.
Okay, and the last question, what is gracious professionalism to you?
Gracious professionalism is when you have a professional attitude, you're working hard, you're always mature, always organized, trying to be the best professional you can be, but you're gracious about it as well. So you're always trying to help other teams, you're always trying to help support teams, you're trying to give ideas to teams, so you're always kind of working as a community more than as a competition sometimes.
What has been the biggest difficulty this week in robotics?
This week in robotics?
Yes.
This week in robotics, we've been working on a FIRST grant for underprivileged and underserved youth. So we've been really working hard to try to put that together. So as far as the robot team, that's been the hardest thing for me. For the robot design team, and I think their hardest thing has been just trying to get their chassis together and their strategy and how they're going to deal with picking up that cube.
All right, thank you. How has finals affected this building?
Well, we shortened for the way that finals affected the build week. This week has been we had to shorten our hours, so we do 4 to 6, and then we allow kids to do homework instead of do robotics if they need to. So we've had a lot less students working this week, so it definitely puts us behind a little bit, but it's good for them to get not feel that stress of finals, because that never was good for kids to have that stress.
All right. What is the biggest progression you have made this week?
I think we decided on a strategy, so we're going to try to grabber that first grabber design that we actually it's the second grabber design we came up with. We're going to try that one, and we picked heights for certain parts of the chassis, so now we're putting together, if you look inside, we're actually putting together some of the vertical parts of the chassis, so we're starting to actually come up off the robot frame. God, I'm famous, come on. Okay. The difference in this robot is we've really tried to focus on strategy and something that we could build quick and be efficient. So we're actually building 2 robots concurrently. So one's we're going up with one size, then we'll go up with the other. So hopefully by the end we have 2 functioning robots as quickly as possible. And it's actually very similar to a lot of robots we build, because we always kind of do the arm robot. So we feel comfortable that we can finish it. But it's definitely we're taking up our technology a lot when it comes to sensors and programming. That's our big goal, is to really up our programming and sensor work this year.